Hello, what's going on, students? Welcome to this video. Today me, Syed Zakir, who studies in Little Scholars Academy in class 8th, is gonna teach you about plastics. Present time, this is the age of plastics. Almost all the items are made of plastics like mug, bucket, chair, pen. We are using plastic so much that we cannot just think about the end of this. Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you know about plastics? What are plastics? Let me tell you. Plastics are the polymers made up of very large number of small units joined end to form a long chain. But all the plastics do not have the same type of arrangement. Some of them are lined and some of them are cross-linked. Plastics can be colored or melted. That is why the workers are coloring the plastic so much. Like this. Do you know plastics have the property which is known as plasticity? The property by the virtue of which a substance can be easily molded into sheets is called plasticity. There are two types of plastics, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Let me explain both of them. Firstly, thermoplastics. Plastics that can be easily molded or heated and can be colored easily are called thermoplastics. Second, thermosetting plastics. The plastics which are opposite to thermoplastics, like they cannot be bent, they cannot be molded again, are called thermosetting plastics. Let me give you an example of thermoplastics. This is polythene. It can be bent easily. And the example for the thermosetting plastics is bakelite. For this you can watch the backside of a 2-pin plug or 3-pin plug. Properties and uses of plastics. Plastics are non-reactive. We know all the metals that are reactive to water, air, and these are the things. Like iron will be rusted if it goes with the contact of water. Plastics are lightweight. As we all know, plastics are strong and durable. If you ask your mommy, how long is this chair going?
5 years.
You can see. Plastics are the poor conductors of heat. Like we can see utensils, the cooker. The whole cooker is facing the heat which is coming from the flame, and the handle, which is made up of plastic, is just chilling. It do not have to fight with the flame and with the heat. Plastics are also poor conductors of electricity, because you can see the 3-pin plug, 2-pin plug, the electric switch, they are also made up of plastics. And the main thing, the full switchboard is made up of plastics. Now the last thing, as we all know, plastics are non-biodegradable. We are using them so much and just throwing them, and we don't know how much they are spoiling our earth. They are killing half of the earth. Not we does not get killed by them, but the innocent animals who lives in water, land, they are getting killed. Okay, you are having a question, how they are getting killed? Like, you are very thirsty, you got a shop, you went there, you asked the shopkeeper for a bottle, 20 rupees, okay? You took the bottle, you opened the cap, drank all the water, close the cap and just throw it. Where does it go? It will go in water or it will be on land. If it goes to water, the animals, fishes who are living in water, they will think that this is the food. They will grab it, they will eat it, and hardly they will survive for 2 or 3 days. After 2 or 3 days they will die. If it will be on land, the cats, the dogs, cows who are living on land, they will think that this is food. They will grab it, they will eat it, and they will also die in 1 week. So this plastic is killing the innocent animals. So this was it for today. I will meet you, I think. Bye bye.